So now let's talk about cantilever with load at its end. So when we are dealing with cantilever with loads at its end, and we are also find for the shearing force and bending moments of that particular diagram, here is how we do it. If we are to find for the shearing force at this point, let's say this is point A and this is our point B. If we are to find for the shearing force at point A, the shearing force at point A will be the negative of this load that we have here. So we have our shearing force at A would be equals to minus W. Our shearing force at A here would be equals to minus W, that is minus the load that we have here. So our shearing force at A is that. Then our shearing force at the cross section that we have here, our shearing force at X also would also be equals to minus W, because there is no other load after the cross section, that is before the cross section here. The only load that is there is the W, which is the, so we have minus W, and our shearing force at B will still be the same thing, will still be equals to minus W, and its unit is going to be in kilonewton. kilonewton. But if we are told to find for the bending moment of this diagram right here, the bending moment at A here would be equal to 0, because the formula for moment is the force multiplied by the distance from the center edge of the load. So the force here, which is the shearing force, is given as minus W from A. So we have the bending moment at A here, which is equals to minus W times, now the distance from A to A is 0, because it did not move at all. So it will be W times 0, which will be equals to 0 kilonewton per meter. Kilonewton per meter is the unit for bending moment. And we also have our bending moment at X, which would be equal to, our bending moment at this cross section X here would be equals to minus W times the distance from A to X, which is minus W times X, which will be equals to minus W X kilonewton meter. Also, our bending moment at L here will just be, bending moment at L here would be equals to minus W times L kilonewton meter. So now these are the formulas for our a load of a load at the end in the cantilever. So now if we are to draw the shearing force would be this way. So now the shearing force of this, now at A here, our shearing force is minus W. So since everything is the same thing, we are going to have it in a straight line form. So we have here minus W, we have W kilonewton. This is negative here. So this is the negative form. So this is our shearing force diagram. Then we also have our bending moment diagram here. The bending moment at A is 0. So from this point here, and bending moment at here is WL. So it will be something like this. It will be a 1 degree line negative. Negative 1 degree line. This is W times A in the total distance here. The total distance from here, and from here to here is W times X, like the distance from here to here. WX, W, and here will also be W. So that is how the shearing force diagram and the bending moment diagram